Hi, my name is Itzel and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be creating this makeup look right here. It is one of the easiest makeup looks to do. It literally only took me 9 products to create this look, and it's super affordable because it's all drugstore products. All the products are under $20. Most of them are honestly under $10. So if you are interested in creating this makeup look, please keep on watching. Okay, let's get right into it. So first, I'm going to start by moisturizing my face. Now that I moisturize, I'm gonna let that kind of soak into my face, you know? Everything I'm using today is actually under $10 except this. This is the only thing that's over $10. It's literally my favorite eyebrow product currently. It's totally worth it because this is all you will need to do your eyebrows. It will make doing your eyebrows so easy. I'm gonna go ahead now and I am going to clean up my eyebrows. With this, I would recommend using a concealer that is a couple of shades lighter than your skin tone because it's going to help with the eye look that we're doing. It's going to help highlight under that eyebrow. To carve out the top of my eyebrow, I'm actually just going to be using my foundation that I will be using today. See, the eyebrows were not looking great. All you need sometimes is a little concealer, and you're good. So once your eyelids are primed and you've carved out your eyebrows, I'm going to be using this setting spray by Milani to prime my face. So I won't be using a primer. I'm literally just going to be using this Milani because it says that it primes, corrects, and sets. Now we've primed our face. Now we're going to finish up the eyes. So I'm trying to use the least amount of product. I'm going to use the bronzer that I will be using to bronze my face later. And I'm going to start by packing it on to my lid. Once I pack it into my lid, I'm going to use that same brush to blend. And I'm just using a fluffy brush that's a little bit dense to be able to pack it on, fluffy enough to be able to blend nicely. Once I have that all blended out, I'm going to be taking the translucent powder I'm going to use to set my face later. And with that same brush, just setting that concealer up here. And that's why I said to use a lighter concealer, because that way it looks highlighted up there. And that's what we want. Translucent powder will also help you blend out any harsh edges from the bronzer. Just go back in and darken up the lid. And that is literally it for the eyes. And now we're gonna move on to face. We've already primed, so we're just gonna go straight into foundation. Our foundation is on. We're gonna go ahead and apply concealer to our face and blend it out. So I'm actually gonna take a lighter concealer and put it under there because I feel like that one was just not bright enough. Okay, so once we have the concealer blended out, we're gonna go into more concealer, but this time it's gonna be darker. So now we're gonna go ahead and blend out the contour. I'm gonna go ahead and bring it pretty high up, like if it's blush, because I'm not gonna be using any liquid blush. We're gonna move on and we're gonna set our face. We're gonna use a translucent powder. I'm going to bake kind of everywhere I have like the lighter concealer. I'll take the other end of my sponge and just kind of press that powder in. Then you can take a fluffy brush and just take off all that excess powder. Now we're gonna go ahead and go back into that bronzer that we use for our eyes, and we're going to lightly pat it on our face where we've contoured. Then I'm gonna take a powder blush, apply it. Now we're just using that bronzer to smoke out our bottom lash line. Can you hear my kids screaming? Kids be crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and set my face now. I'm just gonna take a spoolie and kind of go over my eyebrows lightly just to take off any powder that might be on there. We're pretty much done. All we have to do now is you can either just do mascara and leave it like that, more natural, or you can add some lashes. I'm gonna be adding lashes because I just prefer to wear lashes. So I like to apply my lash glue directly on my eye, so it actually dries like so much faster when I apply it to my lash line instead of like putting it on directly on the lash. I like that too because I'm a pretty impatient person. Every time I put it on here, I would either wait too long and it would just be dry and it wouldn't stick, or it would be too wet and I would put it on and it'd just be a mess. So I actually like to apply my mascara after I apply my lashes because I feel like it helps them blend in super well with the false lash. Okay, so I moved on to lips and I'm using the Wet n Wild Lock in Shine. Wet n Wild ones are kind of like the dupe to these NYX. They have like the same concept, the lip color on one side, and then this one has a lip oil. This is more like a gloss. They still work pretty nice. But yeah, all we used was 5 brushes and a sponge and 9 products in total, not including the moisturizer and lashes. So this is the finished look. I hope you love it as much as I do, and I really hope that you give it a try just so you can see how easy it is to accomplish this look. I think anybody can do this look, and I think it will look absolutely great on everyone. What I also love about this look is that you can definitely customize it. You can change your lip color. You could use a red or more bold color, or you could definitely just use a more nude color, because since we're using bronzer and that already goes well with our skin, it won't clash. So you could definitely just customize this look. I absolutely love that. 2 other plus sides to this look is that 1, you don't require that many products, so you could definitely just throw this in your makeup bag and you are good to go. 2, these are all affordable products. They're all drugstore products. All of them are under $20. I think most of them are actually under $10, so that's a huge plus. Another thing I love about this look is that it's a full coverage look. So for us who love a little bit more full coverage instead of the more natural look, it's still a great look that you could do each and every day, but not feel like you're doing too much. Since it's like super easy, I think if I'm not recording, I could definitely get this look done way faster. So this actually might become my everyday look. But I really do hope you enjoyed, and I hope you try it out. Till next video, bye.